Hi everyone! Remember these are Dollar Tree lanterns? Well, a lot of you have been asking, where are you getting your sugar bowls? And to answer that question, I don't know. I can't find them myself. So I did contact Dollar Tree and they are not selling the sugar bowls this season. I don't know if they're going to be selling them again, but I have some alternatives. So I definitely needed to make a part 2 to this so that we can come up with something nice for the holidays for another Dollar Tree lantern. No, they're not the sugar bowls, but some cute things I have in mind. So if that interests you, stick around in this video and I'll show you the alternatives. Hi everyone, I'm Amy and this is My Crafty Home. So as you know, no sugar bowls can be found at the Dollar Tree. I don't know where they are, but they're not selling them this season. So let me show you what I found at the Dollar Tree. And I got a bag, a whole, I'm gonna be honest with you. I have no idea what I'm going to do at the end of this video because I just got so many different things that we're just going to have to create as we go. But let's show everyone. I got this here, cute little, let me see, this way. Cute little candy jar. I got 2 of those. Oh, and they still do have the champagne glasses. So these here, they do have those. They are the plastic ones. So they do still have that. And look, these are cute little jars. This might work. I don't know. Let's see. What else? All right. And I got cute. Oh, these are cute, guys. Oh, sorry. And look, these are cute. And these here. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I actually got these for the lids. I don't know, that's $1. You don't have to use this. Let's just say we're going to use this one. And let's just take this. Let's open it up. Okay, so let's say we want to use this. Put that on there, but we need a little base. So we could use one of these here. Oh, look at that. It's good. And you can paint this, you can spray paint it, you can leave it as is. You know, the ideas are endless. Or you could even use, oh, all right, but that's all right. We could also use one of these little tops to the candy jars, right? What are they called? Yeah, the candy jars. So you could actually use a lid, use that and super glue that, spray paint it, leave it as is. Boom, you got a lantern. No, it's not the sugar bowls, but oh, that's beautiful. You want to go ahead and put something on that inside. Let's say you want to put, let's say you want to get some snow and put some in there and like, oh, look at these little Christmas trees I got. Look guys, aren't these cute? So cute. Let's see, I don't even know. Let's open this up. Pull this little thing. Oh, look, it's so cute. All right, let's pull this down. Oh my word. Now, of course, we'd have to put all that in there. But look how cute that is. You could put like a little thing up top here so it looks like a little handle. Lovely. Well, stick around. Let's see what we're going to come up with. I don't know what the final project is, but I'm sure it'll be cute. Guys, I also wanted to mention one other thing. So let's say you don't want to use the champagne glasses. One of the other things that I found were these cute little candle holders. I only was able to find 2 of these, but if you can find another 2, you could take your E6000, take it on and put it on there. You could put this together. Look at this, I want to show you. Again, you'd have to put this all together, glue it all nice, but look how nice this looks. This really looks beautiful. I don't have 2 more of these, so I'm not going to do this particular project. I'm going to use the champagne glasses because they do come 2 in a pack. So if you're lucky enough to find 4 of these cute little candle holders, go for it, because these are adorable. They're really nice, but put them on, put them together with the E6000. That's what's going to keep them together. Don't do it with the glue sticks. It's just going to be a quick disaster. You can do it for a quick hold, but also incorporate the E6000 so it will give you a long-lasting hold that won't break. I'm using white Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to apply 2 layers. Be sure in between layers that you allow the first layer to fully dry before applying your second layer. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I've decided to use the silver lids, and I'm going to go ahead and use my E6000, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of the hot glue gun to give it a more immediate hold. I'm going to use some diamond wrap for a little bling at the bottom of our lantern. I had this on hand from our last Dollar Tree lantern. So I finally made a decision. I'm going to use my little candy jar for the top of my Dollar Tree lantern. And I'm going to go ahead and use again my E6000 and a little bit of the hot glue gun. I did use a little bit of the diamond wrap on the bottom of my candy jar. However, you couldn't really see it, and I didn't think it made that big of a difference, so I actually didn't even use it on the second lantern. I'm using a Dollar Tree doorknob hanger, and I'm going to dismantle it and use the bells and the little ribbon on the top to embellish my beautiful Dollar Tree lantern. I'm going to use some of Dollar Tree's fake snow and put a little in the top there. I think if I had more, I would have used one bag for each lantern. However, I only had one bag, so I just sprinkled a little in each. Dollar Tree also carries these little figurines, and I love them, and I thought they looked perfect next to this little Christmas tree. Well, I thought I was done with it, but after looking at it, I thought it needed a little bit more bling on the lid. So I went ahead, got a little bit more diamond wrap, and started applying that with my glue gun. I couldn't resist. These candle holders were so cute, and since I had two of them, I decided to make two smaller Dollar Tree lanterns. These little lanterns definitely need my favorite tea light, so I decided to go and get some from my TV stand. Oh, I love how they came out. They're beautiful next to our Dollar Tree lantern. Now, if you're interested in getting those little LED tea lights, you can go ahead, look in my description below, and I'll have a little affiliate link that you can go ahead and purchase those. I hope that you enjoyed this part 2 to the Dollar Tree lanterns. I'm sorry that the Dollar Tree is no longer selling the sugar bowls. However, I actually think that the candy jars was a great option. I hope that you found a few different ideas in this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. But first, here's a little blooper. I think I hear keys. Are those keys? Is that you? My husband. Bye. And I'm gonna have to redo all that again. He always has perfect timing. Well, thank you again for joining me in this video. Here's another video that I think that you will enjoy, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Bye, everyone.